So, let's start from zero. First, set up environment. For that we need some pictures or sprite. In Unity, sprite means picture. Shift plus space to full screen, and same for go back to normal. Here set camera color. Now create an empty object with name environment to store all environment objects under it. Now right click and in 2D object select sprite. Set name, put it under environment and select mount an image from inspector. Zoom out. OK. Now for ground we need a collider to set all objects at ground, and we don't want to pass through it, and objects will collide with it. Now create an empty game object as clouds, and under it, we need clouds to move continuously, so create quad from 3D object. Set it. I have two cloud sprites to use. In inspector set wrap mode to repeat and apply. Clouds. We don't need any collider on clouds. So, remove it. In mesh renderer set created material. Now set our material. Select particle alpha blended. In particle texture set sprite of cloud. Set tilling like this. Now create a script for cloud to move. Creating a serializable class cloud in which we store all the information or data we need for cloud. In serializable at this time just take as we need to change or show this class in Unity Inspector to any private class, just write system.serializable before it and we can see or change it from an inspector. For cloud we need mesh renderer, speed, offset and material. We don't want to change offset and material from an inspector, so just write hide in inspector before it. Now we want all clouds available in our game. So take an array of cloud. Take count to check how many clouds we have. Set offset to 0 and material at start. In update we need to change its offset so it looks like moving. Save it. Now on clouds add this script and the sizes too. Drag and drop both cloud and set their speed. When speed increases it looks like the wind is blowing fast. So, thanks for watching. If you need more videos like this please do subscribe and enjoy gaming. So, that's it for today. We'll meet you in next part of this. Thanks for watching.